Hi guys, today I've got this really easy hairstyle which is perfect for Christmas parties. To start, I've left out some sections to frame the face and I'm just going to split the hair in half on a slight diagonal. Now secure that top section into a ponytail on the right hand side, then secure the bottom section into another ponytail towards the left hand side. Now we're going to make a hole behind that left hand ponytail, so pop your fingers behind the elastic band with your fingers pointing out. Take that right hand ponytail, pass it to your fingers and then pull it back through that hole. Then join the two ponytails together with another elastic band. Add some texture spray to that top loop. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description, and then just pinch and pull just to fluff up that section. Now we're going to make a hole in that section and we're going to pop our fingers from the top pointing downwards, and again we're going to grab hold of that ponytail below it and pull it up and through the hole. Next we're going to make another hole behind that right hand ponytail with our fingers pointing down. Grab the ponytail and pull it up and through the hole. And then lastly, make a hole in that section and pull that little ponytail through the hole pointing downwards. Wrap any tail ends around a bobby pin and just tuck them under the bun. Push the bun towards the head and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Add some more texture spray all over the hair and then gently pinch and pull at the crown for a bit more volume. And then pinch and pull at each loop and twist of that bun. Lastly, curl the hair away from the face at the front. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.